Hi friends, want to make cool stuff? Welcome to Think and Tinker Studio. We're building robots, kitchen, science, and epic crafts. Let's create, learn, and make a little mess. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a fish. First you can pick a color that is a pen. I'm going to be doing black for my outline. And I'm going to show you how to draw a fish. First, you want to measure it with your hand so you can draw a little line here and a little line here because you don't want it to get too big. And then you can connect them. Like that. And then you can draw the tail of the fish. And you can even draw some lines on it. And now you can draw a gill, an eye, and a mouth. You want to draw the pupil in the fish's eye, and then you can draw its fins like this. And you can even do it on the fin. Now, since you've done that, you can draw some lines like this. I'm gonna do 3 on mine. And now, since you've drawn the outline for your fish, you can start coloring it. I'm gonna color mine green. And I'm gonna do the fish. But you want to be really careful next to the squiggly pattern. You can do this until you're done coloring your fish, or you could even do multicolored if you want to. I'm gonna draw a tail on my fish, purple. Now I'm going to color all of the fins pink. And now I'm going to color my fish's eyeball blue. And that's how you draw a fish. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.